You caught me. Let me finish this set. Woo! Yeah! Hey, I got another good one for you. It's me, Wendy Ida, and you've been asking what I do and what I eat in a day. So that's what I've done for you. You've even asked me to vlog it. So on this day, it was in February. I am traveling for work, and it was during the time of the pandemic. So I am really lucky to be back here safely and before the borders close down. But here's a glimpse of what I do, how I work, how I play just before work, and how I eat in a day. Hey, it's your girl. I am so excited to wake up this morning with breath in my body. I am so excited to get the day started, and I decided to let you have a peek into my world. I'm on my way to the airport, and I am looking forward to today and today's shoot. So hang with me. Rolling up on the International Airport, Terminal 6. We're almost ready to get on the plane. I am excited to get going. It's tough waiting here in the airport, but what I do like to do is keep it germ-free, if you know what I mean. There's a lot of stuff going on, so I try to stay safe whenever and wherever I go. And you should do the same thing. I'm landing in Toronto right now, shortly, and I'll be off to Spain in a little bit, and I'll see you there. So I'm about to take off from Toronto Airport. I'm going to Spain, so on location. So I am still keeping myself together, even though you're in the airport, you can still stay healthy. For example, I'm doing toe raises as we speak. Oh yeah, I do a lot of stretching in the airport. I am not idle. I am always doing something rather than just sit and wait. Yeah, I might use my iPad a little bit, use a little bit of the telephone, but I'm also very health conscious, and if you import this into your everyday, there's no place that you can't go and not get in a workout. Really, even if you split it up. You can even do lunges. Might look kind of strange, but who cares? As long as you're doing you. That's what I'm talking about. Check this out. There's a lady walking up and down. You see that long freeway? She's got on her sneakers, so I'm not the only one. She's got on her sneakers and she walks back and forth. Sometimes on the long run, the escalator that kind of helps you along, or sometimes just, I always walk alongside of it. So again, even if there's steps, if I have a roller, I'll walk myself up the steps instead of taking the escalator. These are probably things you don't always think of, but they work. So there's no excuse why you can't get in some kind of workout even when you're traveling. I have to do it all the time. I think my gate is starting now, so I'm going to go in a little. See ya! We're in downtown Madrid, and I think I'm going to go into this Bio Bon store that has a lot of organic stuff. Ah, look at that fruit right away. I found some really cool quinoa patties. Yum. This is quinoa and broccoli. I think this will be good for me because I'm really not about the dairy these days. There's really stuff here that you can really be healthy and yet filling. I think I'm gonna get some of these walnuts just like back home. They have some really cool organic foods. And I am looking, hey, I might even get some of these cookies. Yeah, I have cookies too. Here's some dried fruit in bulk, just like at home. Wow, you can just see. Mangoes, dried fruit. I think I want some real fruit though. That's going to really be more wholesome and more long lasting, better for your tummy. So wherever I go, I'm searching out all the good stuff, always organic. And if you get the right kinds of foods, then your body can really be energized. You don't have to sacrifice for things that you might not really need. Ooh, now we're going to the fresh fruit section. That always works anywhere else you go. Fresh orange juice. I don't eat much orange juice because it has quite a lot of sugar in it. But I will go for an apple. Even a pear. But my berries are the best. Either blueberries or blackberries. They're the best. You can always, that always works. So let's move on. So I'm in the center of Madrid. There's 0 centimeters from this spot here, which is Plaza del Sol, to the edge of Madrid in all directions, in a circle. And it's really a lot of people here. I've had a lot of good times, met a lot of people and had a lot of good conversations. And right now, I'm still continuing to care for my health while I'm out here on location. I am getting in my walk-on today. This is my exercise for walking all over. I probably won't go to the gym, but right now I'm more interested in the culture and doing the work I have to do while I have some pleasure at the same time. Went shopping, did a whole bunch of stuff. So I'll be on my way a little later, and I'll see you at the Royal Palace, because that's where I'm going next, the Royal Palace. All right? So, ciao. So I decided to have me a little lunch. And I'm going to try out this falafel burger. Yum! I deleted some of the sauces that go on it. I am going to use a little ketchup. But I'm going to try this out. It has a little tomato on it, red onion. I put a little ketchup on it. And I got some veggie chips here, which I'm going to have. Let's see how it tastes. I think I need to cut this in half. My mouth is not big enough. So far, so good. Falafel burger at its best. So here's the thing. When you're eating out, wherever you're going, you can make it, you can eat out, but you can make it your own. You can still be healthy. For example, this falafel burger, it comes with, when you order, some kind of white cream on it. I don't go with the dairy, so I'm not having that. I just delete the dairy, the cream that was supposed to be on it. I take out whatever I don't want. It also had some feta cheese on it. I'm not doing that either. And I have a lovely burger here that's healthy, and falafel is made out of chickpeas, onions, lettuce, and what else? I put a little ketchup on it. This is the bomb. And then with my veggie chips, well, it also came with French fries. I decided to go against that. I thought I was ordering some veggies, but it came veggie chips, and that's cool. So you just pick the lesser of the evils. You can still have a good time, and you can still eat out and not worry about calories. So this works for me.
Here is the payment.
Okay.
And
So guess what? I decided to buy me some red shoes.
yes.
Couldn't resist it. Red shoes.
All right.
Hi. How you like me now? Love it. So I'm back at the hotel, and I was hungry. So, complimentary of my stay, I get to enjoy a special lounge, which is offering today. I want you to come closer to see what I'm eating. So I'm having some quinoa with some bulgur and some other little veggies in there. It's super. I'm also having a little small salad. There's some, I think some chicken in there, but I'm not eating that. It's all good. I'm just having the veggies and I'm enjoying, so good. I'm enjoying this. It's just a little snack, and it's probably all I'll have. But because I walked so much and did so much, something I don't ordinarily do on a regular basis. As you can see, I'm having a little muffin. It's a chocolate muffin, and it's so good. And just to say that you can still enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can still enjoy and have whatever you want to have. And that's what I do. People ask me all the time, Wendy, you're so strict with your diet. I'm not, okay? I still have what I want. I don't do it all the time, but it's 80-20 is what I always say. 20% of the time, I get to enjoy. And I'm good with that. The other thing is, fruit. I'll probably have that a little later. I'm not going to eat it now. I just kind of got it out. Love the berries and blueberries. Always have that. Have an orange or a tangerine for later. I'm kind of like a rabbit. I kind of eat and pick, and I just kind of keep fueled all day long. And the thing that I want to tell you, when you are out and about, when you're not in your regular environment, you got to stay hydrated. And one thing, I will finish this a little bit later after I eat my food. I don't like to have my liquids with the regular meal. Not good for your tummy, really. But in this case, I want you to stay hydrated whenever you're on the road. And you'll have a lot more energy. You'll have a lot more fun. And that's what I'm doing, having fun. It's Friday. I'm excited to be out here and meet my daughter from Berlin. We're hanging out. We're going to this vegan restaurant. So we just are going to have a good time. So the restaurant is right over here. I don't know if it's... We are here. Restaurant Integral. How do you say that?
No, it's actually Artemisa Sol.
Oh.
But Restaurant Integral Artemisa vegetariana. So, yeah, vegetarian restaurants. They also are gluten-free, and they have lovely vegan options too.
Get your wine. Yeah, baby. Yeah, look at each other. That's how it goes. Yeah. Yeah.
Just having some good old hummus with gluten-free crackers.
Good. When I say good, this is a vegan or vegetarian with vegan foods restaurant, gluten free, and it is so tasty. You have no idea. So wherever you go, I don't care where it is in the world, you can find what you want. All we did was Google a place that's nearest where I'm staying. Got a cab to drive us up here, and boom, we are in business. This is like gold.
Stay there right now. You stay there. You have to stretch. You have to stretch wherever you go. I've done a lot of walking. You just do what you have to do. You can have a good time, and you can still get your stretch and your workout on, right? All said and done, now I'm going shopping.
That's the stop. That's the train stop. Yeah.
Hey, I'm in the subway station. Who knew they had a subway in Madrid? That's where I'm at. Check that out.
So I'm back at the hotel. All that walking, I had a bottle of water with me the whole time. Often we run off, we forget we're having so much fun, and we forget to have water. And believe me, it's happened to me too. But today, I'm on it, even though I'm having a good time. So just remember that. This and a tangerine is maybe for later, before I really turn in. Have what you want 20% of the time. The other 80%, stay on track. Even when you're away from home or traveling, like I do. And the other thing is stay fit, stay healthy, anywhere you go, whenever you travel. That's the number one thing. We are going back to the room. Here we go.
Well, I am relaxing. It's been a big day for me. I've walked miles. I've shopped while I did it. Yes. Met some people. It was really fun. And now I am just chilling like a villain. But what I generally get focused on is my health. I keep that front and center. And that's why I combine my workout with my walking, with my sightseeing and all of that. But I've had a full day. I feel really good. And this is how I treat myself, how I really feel like I need to baby myself sometimes. And so that when I get ready to do my pump it up dancing, I am so restored and so ready. So I'm not on like that all the time. It's about balance. And I balance it out. In fact, I'm going to balance it out now with probably something to eat. I mean, it really feels good to kind of just come down and really get prepared, because tomorrow I'm going to be working really hard. I'm on location. I have to do a few shoots, and I am kind of preparing myself for that. And I got this salad that's really, really yummy. In fact, let me get my salad. Here. I'm about to eat. Oh, where's my fork? Hold on a minute. Where's my yummy fork? All right. So I'm going to show you actually what I'm having for a little lunchtime. A salad. Okay. So here we are. We have quinoa, spinach, some sprouts, onions, let's see, red onions. I even have some avocado. And I have some cashews in here. The bomb. Let me tell you something. This is the bomb. This is going to energize me for tomorrow. Let me give you another look. Cool? Oops. Look at that. Look at that. Power packed. Power packed. I'm going to chow down on this, refueling me with proteins, with the good fats, with the good carbs, the greens, and the sprouts. And yet I got some nuts in here also. And then the protein part of that, and the quinoa in here. This is a supercharged salad. So with everything you need, I'm gonna finish having this, and then I'm gonna see you later. I'll probably jump in the shower, and I don't know what I'll do next. I'm just doing whatever, wherever the flow takes me, because tomorrow I'll be gone all day. Hopefully I'll be able to give you a peek with that. But, so, sayonara for now. I am all done with my shower. It's been a while since I've eaten, and I am feeling so cool, so comfy. The only thing I have left is my Pellegrino, and this is one of my things. I kind of love it. I don't, however, have it with my food. Not good to drink and eat at the same time, but I do like to kick back and have it outside of that. So I think now is the time that I'll finish this off with maybe some Netflix. That's what I'll do. Anyway, I'm feeling so chill and so comfy and so in my little Wendy world. And I'm getting charged up, baby. Okay, calm down, Wendy. If you don't know already, I like being silly. But it's how I stay youthful. How I build my energy every day. This is the other side that just charges me up in a different way. And I'm loving it every day. And I'm so grateful. So, breathe, Wendy. And I am. Because right now, it's time for a nap. Sayonara for now. I am on my way back home. It's Saturday morning. It's been a lovely week. Hey, I am back in town. It took me 18 hours to get here. And oh my goodness, it was a lovely flight. But I'm back and I'm glad to be back. Food was challenging at times, but I bought some of my own pea protein to get at least my protein in, since I don't eat everything that they were serving. And it worked out. So it's always good to be prepared before you leave home. So I don't leave home without it. Woo! So I made it back. U.S. soil. It took me 18 hours. And it's so good to be back. Yeah.